Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Polkadot daily update. We are going to see two charts, DOT against Bitcoin and DOT against USDT. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link in the description down below and in the comments section for the website buymeacoffee/mindyourcrypto. There you can join our monthly subscription and you will get many profits, including an automated system with buying and selling opportunities for 200 altcoins. That's right, this is something revolutionary. You will be able to buy and sell through an automated system. But not only that, a manual system with buying and selling opportunities will be given, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. So join us and thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed real quickly into the technical analysis. And right now you can see that what are we having is, after this bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, we are having the 20-day MA as our major resistance levels. This is an extreme bearish market. It is the opposite than having the 20-day MA as a major support level. This is an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. However, right now we are being on an extreme bearish market. You can see that we corrected from this top to this bottom for like 26 to 27%. That is good correction, not a huge correction, although for crypto market, okay, it is good, but not a huge one. So right now you can see that we are going above the 20-day MA, but we haven't closed above the 20-day MA yet. We might be having sell pressure, but if we close above, then the next target will be the 50-day MA, the red line. 20-day exponential moving average is the yellow line. And you can see that we are finding exactly resistance level on this line, then we drop resistance, sell pressure, and we drop down again. So right now on the 4-hour frame, we have a little bit of a high risk with the stochastic side going into an overbought, but not a high risk with other risk metrics. But anyway, what do we need is to go on the daily frame and to check some historical data right there. You can see that when the 20-day MA, from the time that we had a bullish cross between the yellow line and the 50-day MA, the red line, everything was going good. And by the time we had the price action below the 50-day MA, this was a great rebuying entry. I hope this is the same for that as well. For here, we have a great rebuying entry right there. The only problem is if we see a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. But I think that if we can have a pretty much of a bullish candlestick right like this, for example, we won't be seeing a cross for sure, a bearish cross that is. So DOT can continue its way upwards. But why did we correct? I will give you two answers. There are multiple right there, but I can give you two. First of all, we had a major resistance level from this top right here back on 19th May, ending up to the bottom on July. We had a very actually strong resistance level. The 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, you can see that the price, the candlestick, found exactly upon the line resistance and then we dropped. And it was the 0.0308768. We find this price label because we divide DOT's price, Polkadot's price, to Bitcoin's price. That's why we get these many zeros right there. And you can see that from there, we were going all the way down, finding support level here, and possibly making above the 50-day MA, closing above the 50-day exponential moving average would be great. Another reason we corrected, simply because we had an extreme high risk on 4 November. You can see here we had an extremely high risk with the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, and the Commodity Channel Index. You can see the stochastic RSI as well and the Fisher transform. Everything was in an overbought. But now we are getting into an oversold, which is pretty good right there. Okay, so now we can go and proceed quickly into our price analysis. Here what I have is, I use a tool from the date and price ranges. You can see date and price range on TradingView. And here we had the tool date and price range. And you can see that we made 71 bars, 71 days to make it from this bottom right here up to the bottom right there. So we made 71 days and 71 bars to make it from this one till this bottom here, from this bottom till this bottom. So we might be making another 70 bars, 70 days or 71 to make to this bottom, to the next bottom we will have before we break up. Okay, so possibly we wait another at least by the start of December to get extremely bullish again for DOT. Okay, but anyway, this might not happen at all. For me, now that we are below the 20-day, the 50-day actually exponential moving average, I think that this is a very good buying opportunity. But what we have to do is to wait and see if we can break above the 50-day EMA. If we cannot, it is very possible that we go down furthermore and we have a bearish cross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Then yes, we could be waiting to at least start of December. But I think that Bitcoin will get bullish around 24 November again. So I think that altcoins will be struggling a little bit by that date because, Bitcoin will get its dominance again, just like it happened back there, for example, on 21st September and so on, where Bitcoin was losing its dominance, regaining its dominance after, and altcoins were struggling a little bit at the start. This will happen again for the altcoins, and that's why I'm saying by the start of November, actually December, and late of November, we might be having the bull run for the altcoins as well. But for Bitcoin, I think it will happen earlier. So I do believe that it is a great time to reaccumulate some DOT right there, because once we restart, we will be going even higher. You can see for me the next price target for Polkadot has not been achieved yet. I have the 60 Tether USD as my next price target. What I also have is the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this top right here, ending up to this top and ending up to this bottom. You can see that we had also the one level of the Fibonacci extension. That's why we corrected right here. It was the one level of the Fibonacci extension, and of course the next target for the Fibonacci extension is the 70 Tether USD. But first I have as a mini target the 60 Tether USD, and then the 65, and then the 70. I'll go there on this bull run, and it is a great way to reaccumulate some right now. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription, link in the description down below and in the comment section. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto, trading 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities, joining our beautiful team. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.